How to enable or disable APIC, ACPI, and VNC in Virtualizor. We recommend using Manage VPS over Edit VPS for calibrating the settings of the virtual private servers. Click the Manage icon of the VPS in which you wish to make the changes. Go to the Settings tab and then click the VPS configuration. Notice that ACPI, APIC, and VNC are enabled. To disable any one of them, click to uncheck the particular box provided for them and then click the Submit button. We need to restart the VPS to make the changes effective. That's it. You now know how to enable or disable APIC, ACPI, and VNC. Thank you for watching.